How to fix Facebook app not working on an iPhone. Let us first go to Settings and then to General and click on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is up to date in order for apps to work properly. Next, go to Appstore and search for Facebook and be sure that you have the latest version of the app so that the app doesn't keep crashing. You can see my Facebook is up to date. If not, it would have shown update just as it is showing in Instagram. If these two methods still doesn't fix the app, you can go to the settings again and go to General and scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then click on Reset and enter your passcode and reset all the network settings. You can also try restarting your iPhone by pressing the volume up button and power button together. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.